Welcome to this month's 60-second quick tip from Pinnacle Performance Company. This month's topic is visual codes for presentation success. When we give a presentation or run a meeting, we can all deliver our message a little more effectively. For some of us, we can speak more slowly. For others, make better eye contact. Others may need to smile more. Half the battle is just being aware of what you're doing and how you're coming across. Whatever trait or skill you think you need to stay on top of, put a visual code on or near your material to remind you. Whether it's on your flip chart, your notes, a whiteboard, or even your slides. Some examples of codes include, for better eye contact, draw an eyeball. For better posture in home base, draw an HB. To smile more, draw a smiley face. To speak louder, draw an ear. To slow down your pace or insert pauses, draw a stop sign or a yield sign. By following these techniques, you will be well on your way to becoming an engaging speaker. That's all for now. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.